Alright, so we're back. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the model portion, and then after that's done, we'll call it a day, and then in the other videos we can finish up the database. So in here, we're gonna use the following command to create our first model. And like I said, a to-do is a user, and a to-do item is a photo, because a to-do has many photos, like it says right here, one too many. And a to-do item only belongs to one to-do. So a to-do item can belong to one to-do. Yeah. So a to-do is a user, and a to-do item is a photo. So we'll copy this. This is a to-do, so it's a user. So we're gonna just correct that. Right here, user. And attributes are descriptors of the model. Like the to-do has a title, and it would be a string. So just delete that, and we'll say full name as a string. So we recreated one model. Now we'll create another model, to do item. So the same, just push up on the terminal, push the up key while on the terminal, I'll give you the previous used command. So we'll go here and the photo. Okay, attributes. We're gonna have we're going to have, let's see, what do they have here? To do item, just type to do item. Okay. Sorry, 1 second. So it's gonna have we'll say a photo ID, and what else? Okay, and I have a photo ID and a URI, which is string also. No, this was gonna be integer. So this photo ID is the ID user. Let me say it's a photo user ID, which is, this ID is associated to an individual user. So let's say we have user which has an ID of 1. The photo user ID will have 1 because 1 will be associated with that 1 which represents that user. If another user had ID 2 and 2 photos had that photo ID of 2, then those 2 will be pointing to that user 2. And the URI is a string that represents the file location of the photo, because we're going to need that information on the client side so we're able to show the picture up. Okay, and we push enter, and now we got those models created. We go back to the database. Oh, not the database, but the here, and we see we have user and photo. I don't know why it wasn't added. And so okay, I'm just scanning to see what's going on. I'm getting slightly confused. And it happens. Sometimes you have to take time and read, Google other things. Oh, so this is what I did wrong. I didn't add the comma. So let me go ahead to here. Delete this. I don't pay attention to that. Don't save it. Okay. Go back over here. Backspace, comma. And hopefully that should work. Go back. Okay, we got it. And this associate right here function is where you describe the relationship between different models. And so, like I said, a photo belongs to a user. And so we go back over here. I think they have it written. Somewhere here. So to do item, so it's photo belongs to models.user. And this foreign key is the photo user ID. And so this foreign key points to the user table and to this ID. So you can, in a way, link them together so they know each other. So all the photos that belong to the user will be linked together. And it'll be more clear as to why we want to do this. And when we go further with the database and SQLize. So we save that, and then we go to the user, and the same thing with the associations. A user has many models dot photos. And the foreign key is again associated with that photo, and we'll call it as photos. So the user has a foreign key in the other table, which is the photo user ID. So this table is linked to the photo table. I have a feeling I'm explaining this bad, but I guess I'll look over it and explain it better in another video. And so those are the models that we did, and we won't know if they're correct until we finish the whole database, so we can start testing it with Postman. So this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was kind of difficult, but hopefully you'll learn something from it. And if you're confused about some things, just leave me some comments down below. And thanks for watching.